Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best insights on top quality products. Today, we've got something special in store for you. If you're looking for the best primer paint in the market, your search ends right here with the INSL-X Stix Acrylic Waterborne Bonding Primer. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our expert reviews. Now, let's get started. The INSL-X Stix Primer is a premium quality, acrylic urethane bonding primer sealer that's designed to offer unparalleled adhesion to even the most challenging surfaces. It's like magic in a can, folks, and here's why. This primer is a game changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. It's ideal for a wide range of surfaces, including glossy tile, PVC, vinyl, plastic, glass, and even pre-coated siding. But that's not all. With its exceptional bonding capabilities, it adheres beautifully to hard-to-coat surfaces like wood trim, ceramic tiles, masonry walls, and more. Plus, you can top-coat it with almost any product you like. Now, here's the real kicker. It fully cures in temperatures as low as 35 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for all-season projects. And with a coverage of 75 to 100 square feet per quart, you're getting your money's worth. What about cleanup, you ask? Another standout feature is its excellent enamel holdout. It provides a solid base for a smooth and even top-coat finish, ensuring your paint job looks professional and lasts. Before you dive into your project, don't forget to review the INSL-X Stix label for proper preparation and application tips. It's always best to be well prepared. Now, if you're as excited as I am about this incredible primer, you can find it on Amazon. We've provided the purchase link in the description below for your convenience. In summary, the INSL-X Stix Acrylic Waterborne Bonding Primer is a must-have for anyone looking to tackle challenging painting projects. Its exceptional adhesion, versatility, and ease of use make it a top pick for both professionals and DIYers. That's all for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy painting!